Hello everyone, it's Rita here, and I am going to do a flip through on the green ephemera holder. Holder. I don't know what to call it, but anyway. So I finished putting all the ephemera that I've put together for this, and then the only thing I didn't do on camera is I did this closure here, which is just a wraparound piece of card stock, and I collaged it, and then I put this flower, and ooh, that's kind of wiggly. I may have to put a piece of glue in there. But anyway, I put one of my handmade what do you call it? Clay buttons that I made a long time ago. Okay, so we just untie it here. And the tie is not super long, but it's long enough, and you may not even need it on here anyway, but just in case, I'm just going to set this to the side. And before I open this, I did want to show you what I did. I meant to do this first. Yesterday, I just went ahead and finished off these little card pockets that we did. And I decorated the journal, the tags, and this one here, I think it turned out so pretty, this one did. So I don't know where it's going to go in the future, but yeah. And this one here, I couldn't hardly get down behind this, so it's just got a couple of little tags sticking up out of the top. And they won't fall down in the middle because they can't fall. And then this was just another one that I just took the scrap paper and put it over one of those journal cards, cut it down a little bit, and just, glued it on. Now I have, a piece of ephemera, where before I had just the pieces of this paper, so now I have something better. Okay. So then I just made this little guy the other day too. Well, I put a couple pieces of green ephemera in there that I found in my stash that I did not use. So whoever gets this journal will have that extra. And then I didn't do anything to here. I just, you can do that yourself if you'd like to add something to it. Okay, so here's the first open page, and we have a pocket here, and in this this one I just did a journal card here with the collages and so forth, which I love that one. This one was the belly band that I made with that Kathy shared with me, and I have I have this journal card, this tag here. And then inside that tag goes this extra little tag. Okay, and then that's going to go. Yeah, okay. I forgot what I made. Okay, and then this side here, we have the little policy envelope. And I did put a journal card in there. Didn't remember if I did or not. Little journal postcard here to go in there, and then this is just collaged inside here. Oh, and I need something in here. Wonder if this will fit. There we go. So this little guy's, yeah, this was not my best work here, but it was fun. You could take them off if you want. Okay, and then over here I have a journal card back here, and I've got a little tag and a leaf on that, and journaling on the back. And then, no matter what I do, this little charm that I made doesn't want to lay the right way. I have the hardest time, and I know we're supposed to use the little you know, the little round things, but I can't ever get them apart and get them back together. I can get them apart easy. I just can't get them back together again. So in here I have several little journal cards that I sewed and backed if it needed it. This is the, I don't know if you can see it this way, but let's see if you can tell. This is the pocket that we did. So there's a place here for journal cards, here and here. Okay. So on this front one, I just put in some little ephemera pieces that you can use somewhere on another, because there's enough in here. This journal holds enough ephemera that you could make your own journal with all this stuff. Okay, and then you have this journal holder here that you can start ephemera for another journal. And here I have this journal card here, tag that goes around like that, and you can write on both sides of that. I was going to put something over that, but I don't know if that would stop it from turning. Anyway, that was just a tag that goes in there. And here's a little belly band, and here I did 2 postcards and decorated those with just a little bit of fringe there and a little bit of lace on this side. So I'm gonna, for some reason, that we need to put that in so it will lay down flat. Did I put anything in here? Oh, I have a pocket here, but there's nothing in it. Let's see, what, I don't know, that doesn't necessarily go with this one. Let's put this one in, it goes. I didn't even realize that pocket was still back there. And then on this side we have a pocket here with this little journal card in it, and this little notepad or note that can slip over the edge of a journal page. Yes, I think it's glued, it was glued down for the purpose of sliding it over the edge like this. And then this opens up. I think that's how I had it planned, but this seems like it needs some glue. Anyhow, and so that, and those go back into, well, let me leave that out. Then in here we have a journal card with a pocket on the front and this little tag here. And you can write on the back of this also. And that just fits into there. These fit in here. Yep. I guess I have to go straight with that one. I don't like to go straight. And then in this pocket here, I put, I made a little tiny notebook out of scrap paper. You can write on it, or you can rip it out and use it in a journal. And then I have a couple pieces of ephemera that I didn't use, but you can use. I had another one of these. Oh, here. This one here. I thought I had another one. Anyway, you know, those are just extra pieces that I cut out of that kit from Rachel. Okay, and then here we have another pocket and a tag here, and this pocket here, which has a, whoops, isn't it funny how you get the stuff in it so stuck? And I don't think that was meant to be like that. thought this meant, oh, maybe that, no, I don't know. I thought you could see the whole bird. Gosh. I remember struggling with this. Maybe it's this one's supposed to go in there. Okay. So anyway, there's another journal card, and then I think this is supposed to sit about right like that. Okay. And that goes back here. And then in here we have extra little journaling spots, or there's a pocket here too, and there's pockets here, and there's pockets here. I didn't put a lot of stuff in it, I don't think, just you know, a few labels you can use. That was fun to make. And then back here I did some of the wallpaper that I think it was Ephemera sent. Yeah, I think so. And here I have a larger journal card. And then on this one here, this was another piece of the wallpaper. I just put that there for journaling. And this was the AI one that I did, where I had to do a porch swing in the forest, something like that. So that was that page. And then here is a journal card. There's not a lot in there, but was that in there? No, that must have been something else. That goes that goes there. And that goes in there, and that goes in there. And I was trying not to cover this, but I kind of wanted to cover it. You know, I couldn't quite come up with a good idea for that. So that's it. How many pages do we have? We have, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the back is 6 pages. But there's probably, well, the pockets don't count because they stay in the book if they're glued in. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, really, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and then those other little ones, 18, 19, 20, 21 pieces of ephemera. So that's a pretty good amount of ephemera, I think. And then this goes back over here like that. Now, I saw somebody, let's see, this is kind of getting full. I saw somebody, they had the shorter strings like this, like I cut them too short. Or they're not too short, but they're shorter than I would like. And what they did was they took 2 of the ties and made a bow here, and then left the other ones streaming. So it looks like a lot more. I think that's cute. So you guys, I'll I don't know where I'm going to put this yet. If I think I may have sold it, but I haven't showed her the video yet. So it's either going to be on my Big Cartel website, or it won't be there at all, basically. Okay, so we'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the process in making this. It was fun. I didn't have to make a journal. You know, I wasn't feeling like I was pressured to make a journal, but just making ephemera, and that's the fun part anyway, right? Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.